morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 10.
Oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.
How on earth are we into double figures already? I don't know. I can't believe December's going so quick. It's going so flipping quick already. I've still not even got my lights up in my window and decorated Ali's bedroom. Anyway, I'm doing the vlog a little bit different today because it's now 12:30 and I haven't started it. I usually start it first thing in the morning when we're opening our advents, but actually this morning was a little bit, we slept in a bit this morning. We got woken up at 7 o'clock by the postman who was bringing a parcel for me that I'm just going to show you what's in that in a second. Ali had already opened his advent box yesterday. He'd accidentally opened two, accidentally on purpose I think it was, but he'd already opened that and he just got chocolate in his chocolate calendar, obviously. I think it was a carrot cake one that he said, which was really nice, he said. So it's nice that he's getting some that he does like, because there's quite a lot that he's not liking in that one. I'm just going to open my advent calendar. I've not even done that yet today. What I've been doing this morning is the little bit of housework that I wanted to get done today. Because, I mean, there's not a lot, but I have to hoover my floors like practically every day because the dogs are just molting like crazy at the minute. Absolutely nuts. Yeah, and I wanted to give my upstairs bathroom a good clean out because that needed done. I'm really good at doing the downstairs one, but the upstairs one only gets done every couple of weeks or something. Oh, it's one of Oogie Boogie's little dudes. I can't remember the exact name, but he's cute. Does the mask come off? No, it's stuck to him. That's the other thing that I've not done. I've still not made a little space anywhere for my advent calendar stuff, but at the minute this year I'm not worrying too much about it. I guess next year when I proper have it all out, I'll have them all out on like a little, oh maybe I'll get a Christmas village or something next year and then put all the Nightmare Before Christmas characters round the village. That's an idea. One sec, I need to get this package. So my postman, who usually doesn't come till lunchtime, actually woke us up at 7 like I said, and it was this parcel that he was delivering from Rachel. So I took the outer layer off and I saw this. So nice. I know what's in this. Well, I thought I knew what was in this, and then I opened it up. There's a card on top. And there's more things than I thought was going to be in here. So thank you very much, Rachel. That was a lovely little surprise. I feel so spoilt this year. Like, people are sending me some really nice things, and I don't expect anybody to send me anything, FYI. I do not expect it. I love just getting cards and stuff as well. Actually, let me open this card because Rachel is a crafter. She makes lots of handmade stuff, crafty stuff. She's very crafty. And she sells these bottles, which is what I want, which I know what's in here, and I wanted to buy one, but she actually sent it to me for free. She wanted to send me it to say thank you for sending her the advent box. So I'm really, oh, that's lovely. She's made this. How nice is that? It's lovely. That's me got 2 handmade cards this year. That's lovely. And actually, do you know what? Not many people are doing Christmas cards these days, and the only Christmas cards I've got so far are from you guys. From Fiona, from Emma, and from Rachel now. And Ali's got one that I gave him when he opened his advent box. So in this box, I'll show you, I knew that she was sending me the bottle. It's flipping gorgeous. I couldn't believe how stunning it was when I saw her. She showed them on her vlog a little while ago. I will leave Rachel's Instagram linked below and her channel because I think she's awesome. Not because she sent me something for free. I genuinely have been watching her for quite a while. And she won the advent box, and I really love watching her vlogs every day. Seeing her opening up the advent box. And this is well wrapped, by the way. Oh. So Rachel has made this. How gorgeous is that? Look at, oh, she says she put a very special charm on it just for me, and look what it is. A little gingerbread man. Oh my god, that is so nice. It lights up. That is beautiful. Oh, I think I might have to put that on the TV unit, at the other side of the TV unit, opposite Nobby, the Nutcracker. I do have Santa there at the minute, but Santa usually hangs out in the kitchen during Christmas. So I think I'm going to swap Santa and put him where he's meant to be, on my shelf in the kitchen, and put this. Oh my god, that is stunning. I love that so much. Thank you so much, Rachel. That is beautiful. I know somebody else who would like that actually. I think my mum would quite like one of these. And by the way, this was so well packed. I'm so impressed. All the little packing peanuts and little bits of paper that were stuffed just to keep it nice and well packed and not breaking. And obviously it was wrapped in bubble wrap. She's also put 2 little gifts in for Ali, which I knew she was putting in as well because she said so. And she also said that he could open them. So he doesn't know that they're here yet. So maybe when he comes home from school today, I'll get him to open them, if he wants to open them. I mean, he's 13 years old, so he's probably going to want to open them, but if it was me, you know what I'm like, I'd be saving them. Put them up on top of his advent box at the minute. And then she sent me some goodies. I can't fucking believe it. Actually, I do have a Co-op quite close, but I never, ever go. I never shop at the Co-op. It's not one of my favourite shops in the world. I think it's way overpriced. So it's not a shop that I will ever go in. And I have seen that they've got lots of gingerbread kind of things in at the minute. But like I said, it's not a shop that I go in very often. So she has sent me some of the goodies from the Co-op. I've got the mini gingerbread men. I'll need to check the sins of these. Per biscuit is 26 calories, so 1.5 sins maybe. And then she sent me the Santa's Little Helper gingerbread biscuits. I actually don't know what's on them. Are they just biscuits? And these are 52 calories a biscuit, so they'll be 2.5 cents maybe. Oh my god, I flipping love flapjacks. Gingerbread flapjacks. I really like flapjacks actually. And they're 70 calories a biscuit, so they're 3.5 cents for a little flapjack bite. Oh my god, thank you so much, Rachel. I can't wait to try these. When's the best before date? Oh, they're good till after Christmas. Well, these are. Oh, these have to be eaten before Christmas. I might need to get Ali to help me with them. And these must be good till after Christmas, surely. April 2021, so I've got plenty of time to eat these ones. So yeah, I'll have to start on these ones. What are these? 2.5. I can do that. I can do that. So thank you so much, Rachel. I really, really love that. I really love the bottle for a start and all the gingerbread goodies. You know me so well. I mean, to be fair, I think anybody that's been watching my channel, even for the last couple of weeks, knows the way to my heart. So, gingerbread. I'm so flipping happy with them. Oh my god. Put them up there just now. Anyway, my plans for today, done my houseworky bits, that's all done. I wanted to do some ironing, but I've only got like 3 items, so I might just save that for Friday or just do it all on Sunday. I'm actually going to start wrapping Ali's Christmas presents today. And if you know my tradition, I don't know how many years I've done this for, because Ali doesn't like my favourite Christmas movie, which is Scrooged, with the one with Bill Murray. Ali doesn't like that. My tradition for the last God knows how many years has been to wrap Ali's Christmas presents while watching Scrooged. So that's what I'm going to do today. Once I've done that, I would like to get upstairs and get Ali's bedroom decorated. Well, at least like to get his little Christmas tree up and all that for him, because he got in his advent box yesterday, he got Heart of Midlothian Christmas baubles. So, well, actually it was for today, but he opened it yesterday. So I'd like to get his little tree up because time is running out. Can you believe when you guys are watching this, there's only 2 weeks till Christmas Eve. 2 weeks till Christmas Eve. Why is it going so flipping fast? I need more time. No, I'm organised. I'm lying. I'm organised-ish, mostly. I just need to get everything wrapped and get all these things done. Like, I've got all the stuff in. I just need to get it all sorted. So, Ali's presents, get his little Christmas tree up. And there was something else. Oh, do you know what else? I got my Instant Pot. Finally, yesterday, got it picked up from Argos from Mark. He picked it up for me when he was away at his grand's, and I really need to read the instructions on that today because I need to use it for dinner tonight. Ali wanted southern fried chicken goujon things when he heard that I got an active fry, so I'm going to make him them, and I also want to try out wedges in it, so I will need to read the instructions on that at some point. Still not even unboxed my Instant Pot. That's sitting right here, but I think that's going to take a lot more reading and working out how to use it than an active fry. An active fry looks a lot more simpler than the Instant Pot, so I am going to try and work out that for dinner tonight. And I think that's all my plans that I've got for today. Let's get cracking with whatever it is I'm going to do right now. Okay, I had my lunch and I started watching Scrooged. It's not that far into it, like 15 minutes or something. And I am just going to start all the wrapping now. I actually don't have too much to wrap, but I do only have an hour and a half before he gets home from school, so I need to get my finger out my backside and get this done in a way before he's even home and aware of what's been happening today. This is probably one of my favourite days in December. One of them. I mean, there's quite a few favourite days in December. Also, if you can see mess behind me on that chair, that's where I've been dumping all of Mark's stuff that he's been leaving about my house. And just dumped it all in that chair so it's all in the one place. I got it all done with 30 minutes to spare. The film is now finished. I forget every year how quick that film is. It's not a very long film at all, but I managed to get it all done. So flipping happy I got it all done and put away and tidied up and everything before he's home from school. Also, while I was sort of rearranging my Christmas cupboard, now there's a bit more space without all the boxes and all that, I had a look in my Halloween box, which shares the cupboard with my Christmas cupboard, and I found these little gingerbread men that I'd ordered. I think I mentioned it in a vlog. Maybe it was when I got the little gingerbread men the other day. I picked these up about 2 or 3 months ago now. I got them from Amazon. They're just little wooden gingerbread men. It's like a garland. And I wanted to put it in my kitchen under my canvas prints, my Stephen Brown canvas prints. What is that called the other day? Oh, Scott Brown canvas prints. Yeah, and I couldn't find them for the life of me when I put up my Christmas decorations, and it's been driving me insane where they were. I even checked my underwear drawer and everything because I can remember them sitting on my chest of drawers. Nope, couldn't find them anywhere until I checked my Halloween box. So they were in my Halloween box the whole time. So I'm going to get them up today, and I'm just waiting on Ali getting home from school. I might make him a hot chocolate and some warm cookies because we've still got some of the Costco cookies left. Actually, we've still got quite a few. Him and Mark have been munching on them like mad, and Ali's actually been taking a couple for snack instead of crisps for the last couple of days. But do you know what I never mentioned earlier on, by the way? I meant to mention it when I started the vlog, is that I did do the draw for the subscriber giveaway this morning, even though I wasn't vlogging and I was getting on with my housework and that. I still remembered to go on and do that generator, whatever it's called, the comment picker thing for the winner of the £25 Amazon gift voucher. So I'll show you that now. Okay, as you can see, it's 9:02. I'm a tiny little bit late, but I'm just about to pick the winner of the £25 Amazon voucher. So here goes. Good luck, everybody. Kyra Luckman. Love your tree and your favourite ornament is the TARDIS. There you go. Well done, Kyra. Kyra, if you can message me on Instagram your email address and I'll get that Amazon gift voucher sent to you today, hopefully. If you get there in time, I'll just send it to you ASAP. So well done, Kyra. And thank you so much to everyone for entering.
Oh.
Ali's home for school. He literally walked in like this.
And apparently I'm doing something.
He did go to school in a school uniform, but he has PE last thing on a Friday. Well, is it? Sorry, a Wednesday.
It's the same thing.
It's basketball, isn't it?
Same thing.
So he just doesn't bother changing.
There's no point, is there?
No. Right, he literally walked in and he went, "Oh, there's more presents for me."
No, I didn't literally walk in.
You
I
did,
put
you
I
did.
put my stuff away.
Okay, you'd been here for 20 seconds and then you
No,
said,
I
"Oh,
was
there's
here
more
for about
presents."
2 minutes.
Fair enough. So I haven't told them what the presents are yet, but Rachel,
Again? No.
no, that's Emma.
last time.
Emma. Rachel sent me that bottle over there, Ali. See the wee penguin one? It lights up, it's really pretty. And she also sent me, did you see the cookies in the kitchen?
No. Oh, aye.
The gingerbread ones.
Santa's little head prize.
And she sent me them, but she'd sent the packages for you.
So I get to open them now?
You can open them now or you can wait. It's up to you.
Till
She
Christmas.
says, aye, she says it's okay if you want to open them now.
Open them now.
I knew you wouldn't be able to hold on. What is that? What is that?
Oh, you didn't need to see it. I'll save it for later.
Is it something that I'd like?
Maybe.
You just had it. What was it?
I'm telling you. Ask Rachel if you really need. What's this? Oh, she's too kind.
How? Is
Oh
that?
my God. You don't need to
Be
come-
careful.
You don't need to come with this as eager, by the way.
I don't think I'd want that anyway. Is it a lint teddy?
No. It's just a teddy ornament. I'll put it beside my bed.
You're not putting that beside your bed. It's well wrapped, isn't it? Nothing was getting damaged in that box.
It's nicely beside my bed. Thank you. Very much. A lot, very much. Like, very, very much. Like, very much. Very.
But what was the other thing? Oh, don't know. You're knocking over my little things.
Oh, yeah. Is that what you got today?
Aye, that's one of Oogie Boogie's dudes. Is it Maltese or reindeer?
Maybe.
Is it Maltese or reindeer?
Maybe.
It's alright, I've got 2 packets in the cupboard, Ali, you're fine.
Nah, it's not Maltese or reindeer. It's not even something you would like. You would like it, but not overly much. I like it more. Yeah, I need to get no.
Why?
Just end it again, you know? It's just private information. They need to care what it is, Mum. I'm telling
But
you.
what the viewers want to know what it is. You're holding us all in suspense.
You don't need to know what it is.
Is it Lindor?
No.
Is it Lindor? Oh.
I'll have it now.
Will you?
I will.
Let's see. Oh, nice. You're spoiled.
Thank you.
You're spoiled for Lindor anyway.
Anyway, I'll see you later. Oh, I don't need that hot chocolate anymore.
You didn't need a hot chocolate now.
Okay.
You just got to scoff your... Okay, bye. So, I think it's time for a kitten update. They're fat and chunky and their eyes are all open, aren't they, Jasper? And they're really, really fluffy. They're actually really big as well. Hello, baby. I've just got Jasper out at the minute because he was the one that wasn't feeding. The rest of them are, well, none of them are feeding now because Nala's right beside me. Is he? Is he? Oh, maybe she's like, hey, that's my baby. Are we not paying attention to you? Oh, Nala, you're beautiful. Such a good mummy, aren't you? You're such a good mummy. You are. She's a wonderful mummy, aren't you? She just wants clapped. She's just so sooky at the minute since she had the kittens. She's just so sooky.
Jasper's gone here.
Jasper is going to her. Of course he will. Look at him.
Jasper. Oh, is he going to eat them?
Oh, Ali, go and get the other kittens while Nala's up here. They'll just... well,
Aye.
try one at first. How gorgeous is that little face? And your little face is going, oh no, Nala, he's just getting the baby. Hello. Oh, it's the moan. Hamish. Hamish is a moan.
Oh, God.
Hey, they're all here. Oh, I think my brother's changed the name that he wants to call his cat again. That poor cat's had more bloody names than anyone.
What's the cat? What?
He wants to call it Ollie now, I think.
I thought you meant he wanted to call it a cat.
Where's little Lomond? Oh, okay. Hello, Lomond. Lomond's a little quiet one. Lomond is the quietest.
Nah, he's the quietest.
Do you think? Actually, both the black cats are the quietest.
It's because they're the
Although,
ones
to
who
be
get the least
fair,
attention.
when Hamish is there, it's not a competition because Hamish is always the loudest. I see you, Princess Nana. Come on then. Oh, you're such a mummy's girl, aren't you? You are a mummy's girl. The babies are up there if you want them. No, she just wants mummy calling. Lomond.
Yeah, you got it. Come on. Oh.
Hello. Hello. Nala, okay, okay. Don't you worry, Nala. You get plenty of attention, missus. You're too funny. Oh, look at that little sweet face. Oh, look at her. The big black spot. It's got bigger, the black spot. Hello. Hello. Ali, watch Jasper. He's going wonders.
Where do you think you're going, Jasper? Have anyone
you
left
just
the thing on their ear yet?
No, they've not got out. Hamish has tried to get out the drawer a few times.
Jasper, do you want to go back to the camera?
I think Hamish is going to be first to get out the drawer. What are you doing? Or Jasper, actually.
You can't go off the bed.
I mean, we used to be able to hold them in our hands and we can't just hold them in one hand anymore. They're big. I can't believe how quickly they've grown. Compared to the puppies that we had, they're so fast growing. Oh, look at Hamish on his legs. Hamish. You're clever.
Jasper moves quick as well.
He does.
Oh, look at Jasper stretching it. Oh, sorry, I just clattered it. This one's meowing because he's.
I see it. I see it. What is it?
Nala. Jasper.